So we're here at the Watauga Dam. This building seems to be empty. Haven't checked to see if the bathrooms are unlocked, but like the front part where there's actually a view is actually locked. Stay, Sally. Oh jeez, lost her. Anyway, I mean, there's like wasps and stuff, but I mean, you see, it's not heavily used or anything. It's definitely not unlocked. Let's see. But anyway, we're going to try to hike the view trail or something. I think it goes to the top of the dam. I'm not sure. So we're just going to go and see where it goes. It's funny, I was up here all by myself a minute ago, and now all these cars have showed up. It's just funny. Okay, let's get somewhere in the shade. Alright, I think we go up, so we follow the red trail, according to the map I saw a while ago. I mean, it's not even on Gaia, but I think it goes to like a viewpoint. They don't actually go to the dam, but it should be like less than a half mile, so we'll see. And that just goes up to like a little picnic area and stuff. Now, I'm pretty sure that goes down to a picnic area as well. So I will note that this is about 3 to 5 minute drive from where we were paddleboarding earlier. So on a really nice paved road. So yeah, just not too bad. And just kind of want to see what was up here. There's also a boat ramp, another boat ramp that goes into Watauga. Looked really nice. So I definitely want to come back and paddle on Watauga a little bit too. So I think this is part of like the red trail maybe. Because it kind of is like a loop or something, but I don't know. I mean, it don't look heavily used. So I figured we just do an out and back on this path. Cool. Can't really see it at the trees. But that's Watauga Dam. The AT crosses that. Pretty cool. Alright. So we sat here and enjoyed the view and all that. Come on, Sal. We're going to head back to the car and we'll make our way home. And yeah, it's just like, this is a super easy trail. Anybody could do it. I don't know if it's so much wheelchair accessible. With the loose gravel, that might be a kind of a headache, but definitely a really cool view. Anyway, we'll make our way to the car. And obviously it's dog friendly, so. There did seem to be yellow jackets, like short ways on the trail, so I think it might have got Sally. It seemed like it was right in the middle of the trail. Alright, so we'll go up the stairs just to go up here and see what's up here. This is a 0.35 on the return trip. They got all these nice little picnic tables. Okay, top of the dam is just under a mile to connect up to the AT is a half mile. Okay, cool. So that's just above where we parked. Anyway, we'll go make our way back down to the car and we'll call it a day. Like I say, this is a super easy trail, you know. But that's way up here on the top of the hill here, you got a nice view overlooking the lake. I will say, here's like a little sign. There is a lot of waspers around here though. Sally, come here, get off the pavement. So you can see that red trail is that trail we were just kind of on, but we didn't do the full loop. Anyway, pretty nice. Great day out. We'll see y'all next time.